Hi, my name is Victor Salcido, and I will be recording my video and discussing user classes. So for this example, I wrote a class called vinyl.java. It's a public class, and it's a class that allows a user to enter information regarding a vinyl record collection. I'm going to start out here. Number 10 here is where we start. So here's the public class vinyl. Field instance variables are down below. We have them set to private so that they can't be changed later on by any other user. So we have a private string for the artist, private string for the title, private string for the genre, and private int for the year, which is going to be in a format of like 4 digits. We start off here with constructor 1, which has no parameters, and constructor is listed as public as well, and it's public vinyl. And as you can see, it has no parameters, and we have our values in here set as this.artist is Joe Schmo, and this.year have it set to 3000. Now constructor 2 has one parameter, and it also has default values. Constructor 2 is also public, so we have it listed as public vinyl. But you can see, you might be wondering why we have a constructor named public vinyl here and here. The difference is the variables. So this has, or the parameters, sorry. So this has no parameters, this has one parameter. So that's why you're able to have the constructor with the same name. So if you see here, we have string the artist, and then our default values here. So this.artist is assigned to the artist. This.year is 1999. This.genre is house. Constructor 3 actually has, put 2 on here, it has 3 parameters. I have the parameter, which is a string for new artist, parameter string for new genre, and parameter int for new year. And so next here we have our method, which returns a string value, and it's our public string toString method, and that's going to return a string which is going to have our vinyl collection, which shows our artist, our genre, and our year. And it's going to come out as a string value and return that information. Our next method is set to return the vinyl's artist name as a string value. And this method is called public string getName, and it's going to return the artist's name. And so that's what we call our getter. Now our setter is listed below, and our setter is going to set this.artist is assigned to new artist. And when I run the method here, I'm going to show you 2 different things. So I'm going to show you the first method, which is our toString method. So I'll run it, show you what happens. So let's compile. Let's run. Okay, so it gives us our, you can see here it says vinyl collection, artist, genre, and our year. As you can see, it has our artist listed as Greenskeepers, our genre is house, and our year is 2003. Now, if we want to run our second method, let me take the comments off of this here. Now, what this will do is this is going to overwrite our artist name, since this method only changes the the artist name. So let's compile that and let's run. As you can see here, still shows the same thing, our vinyl collection, except the only difference now is our artist name has changed. Artist is Derek Carter. Genre stays the same, which is house, and the year stays the same, 2003. And so this is a user class. Thank you for watching.